Finally guys, Samsung Galaxy S9 and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus front leaked by the event blast. So without wasting any more time, let's have a look at the front of Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung has confirmed that the both phones will debut at MWC 2018 in Feb. They are expected to go on sale the month after VentureBeat claims that its source suggests that the phone will be powered by upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset and Samsung's own Exynos 9810 chipset, both of which are built on a 10nm process. Unlike last year's flagship, however, the internals of these phones are expected to vary slightly. The report indicates that the smaller model will offer 4GB RAM while the larger one will offer 6GB of RAM. While internal storage is expected to remain the same 64GB on both models, the larger model is expected to boast of a second rear camera as well. The headphone jack is expected to be retained. Unfortunately, it does not seem like the fingerprint sensor will be making a return of the front of the display. Leaked footage of dummy S9 does suggest that the fingerprint sensor will be below the rear camera, making for a more ergonomically sound design than it was the last year. The 8MP of camera is expected to be retained on both devices. Judging by the date on the leaked images, the phone might go on sale on 16 March this year.